Friends, so this is Umesh and today we will see this model. This is a solid model, and in this model if you will see we have one tube and one cylinder, and the both tube and cylinder are connecting in this middle portion. So our main objective is to create this middle portion. So we will use some curve and surface to create this middle portion. So let's see with CATIA V5. So first of all, select this plane, and here one circle is this. So make a circle and dimension it. The dimension is given as 5 is the radius, so 10 will be the enter it dimension. And the distance between center and this, the gap is given as 20 radius, so make it 20. Double click here and make a axis for revolution. Now revolve it shaft and OK. So this will create. After this, I need a datum plane, so select a plane and the distance between this is 75 mm. So make a new plane 75 mm far from this side plane, circle, and the diameter is 26, 26, finish and extrude, and the distance is 30 but in reverse direction, so make it reverse direction. Okay. Now select this front plane, and here I have this option, this silhouette projection, and here no, it is not. So cancel it, or and right, it is undo. So draw a circle, select it, and dimension it. The outer dimension is 20 plus 5, 25, and 50 with the diameter. Right. Now add a line, and I'm going to use a arc. So select this arc and make it tangent with this. Now select this circle and arc and apply tangency. Now the radius is 25. Okay. Now select this and this curve and this curve. Make this as a reference. Now exit. Again same plane. This one. No, undo. Use this silhouette plunge, silhouette edge, and make it reference, and one more circle. Click here. Now the dimension is 20 minus 5, 15, and 30 will be the dia. Add a circle arc and make this tangent between this line and arc and circle and arc. Okay. Now create a line and align with this. So a point is this, one point is this, make them coincident. Okay. Now trim. I don't want this one, so this will be the result, and this curve again it is the reference or construction geometry. Exit. Again select this and here I am using this line, right? Angle between these two is 25, and this point and this point will coincide. Make this line horizontally, assign any dimension. It must be bigger than this. Now finish. I'm using this pocket. Okay. Now